Hello, you talk? Hello.
She's so amazing the way she moves. She's so amazing the way she grooves. I'm so amazed by her charms and looks. She entered the place like Red Riding Hood. She's so amazing the way she moves. She's so amazing the way she grooves. I'm so amazed by her charms and looks. She entered the place like Red Riding Hood. I'm feeling you in every type of way. Thinking of you makes my mind insane. Baby cooking for me every night and day. We can chill and talk, feel the vibe in my place, yeah. I'm feeling you in every type of way. When I see you, baby girl, I'm just amazed. I be missing all our sessions on the FaceTime. Baby girl, man, I gotta give you praise. I like long walks on the beach. She likes clothes from overseas. I like music, I'm my peace. She likes watching over me. Even though we different, we can make a difference. We show them how we do.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog.
Welcome to this vlog here.
Right, so today we're going to where we're going to, Lindsay?
Hope Zoo, and we're just outside today. Just wait and see what we're gonna do.
Right. So we're going to the zoo.
Yeah.
Our great big age, we're going to the zoo because we want to see little animals. Okay. So we're going to the zoo, and then we're gonna go to Tgi'S, I believe, for dinner, lunch, dinner, one of them. And then we're gonna come back home, shower up and chill for a bit, and then we're gonna go to Mecca.
Yeah.
Apparently it's supposed to be lit down there tonight.
We don't even know what it is, but we're outside.
We're outside, right?
Yeah.
We're outside today, so we're gonna go to the floor and see what's going on.
Right.
So yeah.
But we're taking a shot for the road.
For the road?
Yeah, I think me go first, are you?
Yeah, because look at how you pulled that. I'm sorry.
No,
what?
guys, look at this.
No.
It's a bit like.
No. Why is that high?
All right.
Right.
It's not that high, but it's still high.
Guys, she's insane.
Outside, you gotta get the heat. If you know around, if you know, it brings the heat. You can do it. Yeah. Right, hello, everything. Mama see, everything. Listen. What is she doing? What is she trying to do? Come. No, you can't.
I can do a show of ramen because sometimes.
Right.
But
come again. We have
no, we're not coming again. Nothing. Okay, because we need to make it to the zoo.
Wow.
In this heat, guys, summertime is here and the heat is.
All right, take that little bit there. I'm disappointed.
That's it. Hey guys, so we're in Nightlife at the zoo.
It is 1:45.
Yes, we are. Here you go. Thank you for doing
Okay.
So, gardens, guys. Girl, put on your mascara. Put on your mask.
COVID, right? So,
What? Cool.
only thing. Mask right through up there. So. Ready?
Ready? It's not gonna work at all. It's too hard.
Want to do my nice makeup?
Right. Let me take how long for do? Yes, I do it for the vlog. 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 Guys, we're outside. Wait, where the sun? Yeah. Yes. Dumb. Okay, so I don't know what I should like touch. Should I touch the camel? If I should touch the little birds. I even touched the camel. I'll be feeding it, but I don't know. I really don't know.
I'm just gonna feed the birds.
So I feed the birds. I think I'm gonna see what they have again to do, and then I'm gonna pick one.
I'm gonna leave with the ostrich.
Oh yeah, there's that. But you know what? I feel like I should face a fear and touch an animal because I don't really like touching
But
animals.
the thing is, I don't think you can touch much of them because you know diseases are going around in the animal industry or whatever.
What?
There's the animal industry.
Where do you get that from?
Animal community. I mean, animals have diseases. I don't know. Maybe they cure these ones.
But you know what I mean? Like in terms of like having the birds like eat out like the bees like on my hand, you know?
That's supposed to be safe.
I'm something
But it's just like the monkey and
you don't touch the monkey. Me you said the monkey them have show them do after people. Me not in that. Can't be going there go fight a monkey today.
Let me in there still.
You get it?
Don't.
One little tap when I drop, you see it?
It's the hurt for me. The broken bones for me. The possibility of not being alive for me.
Oh look, love.
Was it love? Let me not be here.
Okay. We're still brave. Oh my gosh. I'm screaming. Alright, so
We're going on a trip in a pivot like foot.
so pretty guys. Look at this. I live here. Guys, guess which one I'll do? Which one would you choose?
Thank you. 1,500 Jamaican.
Okay guys, so that wasn't even a lot. That's pretty calm. In pounds, that is like 75. 75 won't take that.
Thank you.
Sanitizing employees, guys. Be healthy.
That's what they said.
Save lives.
So guys, we only have like artificial animals. Unfortunately, we don't have real animals in the hotel.
Oh my god.
Psych.
So listen,
Let's go.
basically, we paid 1,500 Jamaican.
Hey, I'm going in that trampoline.
The trampoline.
I'm saying, but only kids. Listen, I'm gonna.
Listen.
Yeah, go
If
ahead.
the kids gonna tell us something, we probably would face it, you know? Anyways, so to get into the zoo, guys, it is 1,500 Jamaican dollars for adults. Children, what was it again?
1,000.
1,000. And 1,000 for children. So that in pounds, like 1,500 is like £7.50, which is good. And for kids, £5. So how about that?
Take a walk for me.
Hello. Yo.
Hi, birdie.
You're ugly bird.
Hello, you talk? Hello.
Wait a minute.
Yo, camel.
Some of y'all bitches be clapping your mouth like this.
You're so disgusting.
You guys sit there.
No, we're best friends.
Aww.
I haven't seen her in like 3 years. Yeah.
What? I'm so happy for you guys. Come check one day.
No, I'm after because it's 1,000 time 5 if you come see the line and I'm asleep. man. That cannot work. You see?
He's working.
Right. You came to work today. A round of applause.
Dizzy, I'm gonna call you Dizzy.
Oh.
There's crocodiles on it. I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears, but I'm scared of men. Yeah, this nigga peeing.
What?
Just what I wanted to see.
I said I can lick through the glass easily.
This is so many There you go,
Guys, we want to go on the rock climbing wall. You know, he's not gonna ask. Oh, God.
Sir, can we go on this?
Yeah, we can?
Bring your foot.
No problem. We
Alright, that's fine. Wait, we have something we can tie on me? Yeah, so if I drop, I'm gonna hang. I'm not gonna drop. You'd have to catch me. So Lindsay. Lindsay,
So show people pay you.
Bring your foot.
that look kind of steep, you know?
Make sure the right way you have it.
You know, make sure every right way you have it.
Whoa, watch the test dummy.
Guinea pig. Alright, you can assist me by just holding the rope steady so I don't fall off the
What is?
Put your foot sideways.
Boom.
Sideways.
Oh, sideways.
Oh, God.
Help me.
Go. Alright. I need to straighten your back. Don't push out your back. Straighten your back behind you. Yeah, straighten your back.
Don't jump now.
Straighten your back. Straighten your back. No, boy. Straighten your back. My child. No, you can't do it, man. Straighten your back. Sideways. Don't too much. You just squad on my door, look, bro. Just squad, no? You can do it, man. You watch out?
Yeah. Yeah, girl. Touch the top. Touch the big something on the top. Yeah, man. Keep going. Oh my God.
Give up the rope in front of you. One the rope at the front of you. The one at the front of you see you, come here, man. You're too shy now. You're too shy. Come on.
No, but I'm not do it again.
You can do
No,
it.
me not do that. Me not do that.
You not do it?
No, I'm scared.
Scared of what? You're not going to be scared.
You was not holding the rope, sir.
You
All right.
have to hold the rope tightly. Who will help him hold the rope?
Lindsay, don't make him drop me. Don't make him drop me, please.
No, I don't think that's it.
Why am I
Yeah,
going to
make
do
the
that?
next man video for me. I'm gonna hold the rope. Is she gonna make it to the top? You gonna make it.
I'm better.
You are gonna do it.
You know what? Let me show you guys. Let me show you how it's done. Let me show Lindsay
Oh, this.
how it's done.
Okay. Alright.
Be free like she.
Watch confidence over here, so you better live up to what you say.
No man, watch. Watch big climber.
I don't like this. cross them.
I'm a sick good friend. Come beautiful friend. Wow. What? No. You are so beautiful. Show them what you work with. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody follow her, Lindsay Houghton, on Instagram.
Yeah, try on. And on YouTube, it's Lindsay.
That's right.
SB Houghton.
All right, I'm gonna put it right here in the corner. Right? I'm not thinking right. That's fine. Yes. Jamaica nice, guys.
Look, you see him?
Guys. Why is this girl? We need Andrew on it. Forgot the curfew is not working out.
Coffee.
So you're right. Like each and every one of you. Funny something. We went to Tgi'S as you saw, and then after Tgi'S we came back, we rested a bit and stuff, showered and all of that, and then went right back out for like an hour to go to Mecca, which was like a club. It was a club off Constant Spring Road, at the marketplace, which was really, really good. I think the club is actually named Mecca. So yeah, that was good. It was kind of packed. Not gonna lie, it was quite full. But it was good. It was good. Went there for a bit and then came back and we just chilled and vibed and hung out and stuff. So yeah, it was a weekend. We were outside, and that's what matters. We were outside. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, comment, like, share, and subscribe. There's going to be more comments. Sorry about my edges. Keep the edges and the shadiness and stuff. I am literally back to work. My little workstation. I'll show you guys more of this like another time. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.